In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a text box in Prezi quickly and easily. This is a simple but useful editing trick that can help you make your presentation look cleaner, more dynamic, and better aligned with your design. If you're working on a Prezi project and need to adjust the angle of a text box, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. And before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is go to Prezi and open the presentation you want to edit. Once your presentation is loaded, look for the text box that you want to rotate. Click on the text box to select it. When it's selected, you'll see editing controls appear around it, which means it's ready for adjustments. Now here's the important part. Move your cursor to the top right area just above the text box. As you hover there, you should see a curved arrow icon appear. This curved arrow is the rotation handle. It tells you that you can now rotate the text box freely. Click and hold on that curved arrow, then drag your mouse in the direction you want the text box to turn. As you move it, you'll see the text box rotate in real time. You can adjust it until it reaches the exact angle you want. If you need a small tilt, just move your cursor slightly. If you want a more dramatic rotation, drag a little further until it looks right. This is especially helpful if you want to create a more creative layout. Match the direction of other elements on the slide, or simply make your design feel more polished. Once you're happy with the position, release the mouse button and the rotation will be saved automatically. If the text box doesn't rotate the way you want on the first try, don't worry. Just click the box again, grab the curved arrow, and fine-tune the angle until it looks perfect. It only takes a few seconds once you know where the rotation handle is, and that's it. You now know how to rotate a text box in Prezi. It's a quick and easy process that can make a big difference in how your presentation looks. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.